So what does no money down mean when it comes to buying a business? Now, you might think, which is a mistake, but you might think that it's all about the seller of the business getting nothing for their business. And if that's what you thought, and there's a big question mark over that, then I completely understand it. No money down means none of your money down. It doesn't mean that the seller gets nothing. In fact, in no money down deals, the seller might receive millions of pounds at the point of completion. So you've got a very, very happy seller. But the point is that it's not your money. You're not putting your money down. And when you understand that nuance, that difference in the language, it makes you realize that buying businesses is not about trying to get a deal for free or buying a business for nothing. It's about structuring it so that you don't have to put anything in, even if you do have the money. And I've got clients who've got millions of pounds of liquid assets. And I say to these people, don't put your own money in, even if you've got it. Because what we want to be able to do is to de-risk our acquisition. And the fastest way to de-risk a business acquisition is not to put any money of your own into the deal.